Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be delving into the distinctions among various educational boards in India across different levels. My aim is to provide clarity so you can determine which board aligns best with your child's needs. Stick around for valuable insights. Feeling unsure about which educational board to choose for your child? If you're grappling with options like ICSE, CBSE, IGCSE, IB, and more, this video is tailored just for you. I'll be offering a comprehensive breakdown of each board, detailing the subjects covered and providing in-depth analysis to aid your decision-making process. It's important to note that selecting the right board involves considering numerous factors beyond just your child's preferences or your parental instincts. Location, financial considerations, and other variables play significant roles in this decision-making journey. Let's explore these factors one by one in this video. By the end of this video, my goal is for you to have a clearer understanding of which educational board suits your child's needs best, or perhaps even identify suitable schools in your vicinity for further inquiry. Firstly, let's categorize the boards prevalent in India into two main types: national boards and international boards. National boards include CBSE, ICSE, and various state boards. On the other hand, international boards comprise Cambridge, ICSE, and IB, offering different programs tailored to diverse educational needs. Let's delve into a detailed examination of each of these boards and programs one by one, beginning with state boards. State boards, as the name suggests, vary from state to state, offering a locally driven learning curriculum. While accessible and familiar, these boards primarily rely on end-of-year examinations for assessment. However, due to the vast differences among state boards, I'll focus more on CBSE, ICSE, ICSE, and IB in this video. NEOS, another significant option, warrants a separate discussion due to its unique aspects, which we'll cover in a dedicated video. Starting with ICSE, it's a national board widely available across India, offering a diverse range of subject choices. Assessment in ICSE is conducted through a combination of internal and external evaluations. Moving on to CBSE. It stands out as the most prevalent educational board in India, administered by NCERT. EBSE is particularly advantageous for families frequently relocating within India, as its curriculum offers consistency across schools. Despite its traditional roots, CBSE is evolving to incorporate modern teaching methodologies and contemporary subjects to keep pace with educational advancements. Next, let's shift our focus to Cambridge, ICSE, which comprises a primary year program and a middle school program, culminating in A-levels. Similarly, IB offers various programs tailored for different age groups, emphasizing interdisciplinary learning and preparation for university-level studies. Now, let's embark on a detailed exploration of these boards, dissecting their characteristics across different categories to facilitate your decision-making process. Beginning with the origin of these boards, ICSE and CBSE are homegrown boards originating in India. In contrast, ICSE hails from the UK, while IB traces its origins to Switzerland. Examining the distribution of schools, CBSE boasts the highest number of schools, followed by ICSE, ICSE, and IB, with varying levels of availability across India. Considering the medium of instruction, CBSE stands out for supporting both Hindi and English languages, catering to a diverse student population. In contrast, ICSE, ICSE, and IB predominantly use English as the medium of instruction. In terms of teaching methodologies, CBSE leans towards traditional rote learning, while ICSE, ICSE, and IB emphasize conceptual understanding and practical application. When assessing the difficulty level, CBSE is considered relatively easier, followed by ICSE, IB, and ICSE, which are progressively more challenging. Moving on to affordability, CBSE schools typically offer more budget-friendly fee structures compared to ICSE, IB, and ICSE schools, which tend to be pricier. Examining mandatory subjects for 10th and 12th standards across these boards, each board has its own set of compulsory subjects reflecting their unique educational philosophies. Considering streams available for higher education, CBSE, ICSE, IB, and ICSE offer diverse options ranging from science to humanities, each with its own emphasis and flexibility. Finally, evaluating alignment with international educational standards, IB and ICSE excel in preparing students for overseas education, whereas CBSE and ICSE exhibit varying degrees of adaptability. In conclusion, each educational board has its strengths and limitations, which must be carefully weighed against individual circumstances and preferences. preferences. Ultimately, the right choice depends on factors such as location, financial considerations, educational goals, and the unique needs of your child. I hope this video serves as a valuable resource in navigating the complex landscape of educational boards in India. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Feel free to share your experiences and insights in the comments section below, aiding others in their decision-making process. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.